Hi, I'm Michelle, and today you're going to meet one of WeVibe's most popular wearables. I'll show you how to use WeVibe Bloom. The team at WeVibe loves to create connections between you and your partner, as well as you and your own sexuality. Connection is the key priority. When it comes to wearables, you've seen the classic Benoit balls, but Bloom is a little different. And not only because it arrives with 3 different weighted heads, you can tailor your toy for the perfect feel. Whether it's for Kegel exercises or internal stimulation, they're even known for menstrual cramp relief and delivering more powerful orgasms in time. The reviews will tell, Bloom has it covered. With up to 90 minutes of deeper, more intense vibes, WeVibe Bloom not only offers the classic feel of Kegel balls, the added vibrations take things to a whole other level. That's right, as a wearable, Bloom is discreet and yet oh so powerful. You can go about your everyday business and no one will have any idea. With 10 vibe modes and rechargeable battery, Bloom is the perfect way to level up from your standard Benoit balls. Before you get started, let's find out how you can enjoy your Bloom in action. To use Bloom, press the control button for a few seconds and adjust the vibe mode with another press of the button. Don't forget to add a little lubricant, insert the toy vaginally, and make sure you keep the retrieval arm outside of your body and easy to reach. The stem is durable, so once you're ready, you can remove the toy with a gentle tug. If you want to tailor the vibe modes while the toy is already inserted, simply control it via the WeConnect app. After pairing your WeVibe Bloom, you can not only adjust the toy from your smartphone screen, you can also create customized vibes too. It's easy to look after your WeVibe Bloom. To keep it fully charged, you just need to unscrew the weight from the base and then plug in our handy USB charging cable. Each charge just takes 90 minutes. And because it's waterproof, it's simple to clean too. Just rinse the toy with a special toy cleaner or gentle soap. After drying your toy, return it to the carry bag or recharge it so it's ready for next time. Now, you're ready to take things into your own hands and start your adventure with WeVibe Bloom.